leaves turn golden and the crisp autumn air rolls in, there's nothing quite like curling up with a warm, comforting cup of homemade pumpkin spice latte. In today's video, we're diving into the heart of fall with a recipe that's not just a treat for your taste buds, but a hug in a mug. Ready to fill your home with the irresistible aroma of pumpkin spice and everything nice? Let's get brewing and turn your kitchen into a cozy cafe this season. The beauty of this recipe lies in its simplicity. It's a celebration of the season's best flavors, all coming together in one delightful cup. You probably already have most of the ingredients in your pantry. No need for a special trip to the store. We'll need milk, of course. It's the base that brings everything together. Whole milk is best for that creamy texture, but you can use any kind you prefer. Almond, soy, or oat milk can also work wonderfully. Pumpkin puree, the heart of our latte, adds a velvety smoothness and that quintessential fall flavor. It's like a hug in a mug. Then comes the spice blend: cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and a touch of cloves. These spices are what give the latte its warm, inviting aroma. These warm spices evoke the very essence of autumn. They remind us of cozy evenings and festive gatherings. A dash of maple syrup adds a hint of sweetness. It's a natural sweetener that complements the spices perfectly. And the star of the show? Freshly brewed espresso, of course. Its rich, bold flavor ties everything together, making each sip a delightful experience. Let's create some magic. Warm your milk in a saucepan over medium heat. No need to boil, just a gentle simmer. Add the pumpkin puree and spices. Whisk them together until the mixture is smooth and fragrant. While the milk simmers, brew your espresso. I prefer a strong, dark roast for this recipe. The rich coffee flavor balances beautifully with the sweetness of the pumpkin spice. Now, for the fun part. Pour the warm milk mixture into a blender. Secure the lid tightly and blend until smooth and frothy. This step is key for that luxurious cafe-style texture. Section 4. Perfecting your pumpkin spice masterpiece. Let's dive into creating the ultimate pumpkin spice latte that will warm your soul and delight your taste buds. Start by dividing the freshly brewed espresso between 2 mugs. The rich aroma of the espresso will set the perfect base for your latte. Next, slowly pour the frothed milk mixture over the espresso. The creamy texture of the milk will blend beautifully with the strong espresso. Make sure to leave some space at the top for a dollop of whipped cream if you wish. This will add a luxurious touch to your latte. Now, let's add the finishing touches. This is where you can get creative and make your latte truly special. A sprinkle of pumpkin pie spice on top adds a burst of flavor and visual appeal. The warm spices will enhance the autumnal feel of your drink. A drizzle of maple syrup adds extra sweetness. This natural sweetener complements the spices perfectly. And for the ultimate indulgence, top with a swirl of whipped cream and a sprinkle of cinnamon. This will make your latte look and taste like a treat. Feel free to adjust the sweetness and spice level to your liking. Everyone has their own preference, so make it just right for you. Add a pinch more ginger for a little extra zing. This will give your latte a unique twist. Or substitute honey for maple syrup. Honey adds a different kind of sweetness that pairs wonderfully with the spices. This recipe is yours to personalize. Enjoy your perfect pumpkin spice masterpiece, tailored exactly to your taste. Section 5. Savoring the moment, one sip at a time. Your homemade pumpkin spice latte is ready to be enjoyed. The culmination of your efforts, a perfect blend of spices and coffee, awaits you. Take a moment to inhale the aroma. Let the scent of cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves envelop you, bringing a sense of calm and nostalgia. The warm, inviting scent of pumpkin spice fills the air, instantly transporting you to a cozy autumn paradise. It's like a warm hug in a mug. Take a sip and let the flavors dance on your tongue. The creamy milk, the subtle sweetness, the comforting spices, and the rich coffee all blend together in perfect harmony. Each sip is a symphony of flavors, a perfect balance that delights your taste buds and warms you from the inside out. Whether you're enjoying it on a crisp autumn morning or a cozy evening in, this drink is a perfect companion. This pumpkin spice latte is sure to warm your heart and soul. It's more than just a drink. It's an experience, a moment of pure comfort. It's the perfect drink to share with loved ones or savor in solitude. Whether in the company of friends or in peaceful solitude, this latte brings joy and warmth. Congratulations! You've just created a taste of fall in your own kitchen. Now it's time to share the joy. Invite friends and family over for a cozy gathering. Serve these homemade pumpkin spice lattes alongside your favorite fall treats. Remember, the best recipes are meant to be shared and enjoyed with loved ones. So go ahead, whip up a batch of this deliciousness and spread the autumn cheer. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss any new creations. Happy fall, everyone!